powerful website you should know.
The ATTORNEX templated documents are designed to streamline the legal practice for small claims practitioners, as well as solo to mid-size law firms, particularly for plaintiffs seeking to sue homeowners for property damage. These templates offer a structured approach, ensuring your case is presented effectively and professionally, enhancing the efficiency of your legal practice. The precedent set by these templates establish a standard and help standardize workflows. When you visit the site, begin by searching for Plaintiff in Home Renovation or Plaintiff in Home Renovation Case. This search will direct you to relevant resources focused on home renovation and property damage disputes. By clicking on the appropriate link, you'll access a sample template tailored to your needs. Our templates are 90% complete, requiring only the input of specific details such as the plaintiff's province, address, and other essential information. This user-friendly format allows you to quickly and efficiently prepare your case, reducing the time and effort typically required. Common causes of home renovation and property damage lawsuits include false, misleading, or missing estimates. Contractors may provide inaccurate or incomplete estimates, leading to disputes. Failure to disclose the full extent of work performed. Contractors might not inform homeowners of the complete scope of the work, resulting in misunderstandings. Failure to perform the requested work in a reasonable manner. Poor workmanship or substandard results can be grounds for legal action. Performance of unauthorized or unnecessary work. Contractors may undertake work that was not agreed upon, leading to additional costs or damages. Failure to perform by the defendant. If the contractor fails to complete the agreed-upon work, the homeowner may suffer financial losses. Any other damage that may occur when the property is in the contractor's possession. Damage caused by negligence or carelessness during the renovation process. Key features of these templated documents include no legal jargon. The documents are written in clear, straightforward language, making them accessible and easy to understand. Persuasive arguments. The templates include well-crafted arguments addressing damage requirements and the legal consequences for the defendant. Cost-effective. Utilizing these templates can reduce the need for outside counsel and second opinions, saving your practice both time and money. Comprehensive coverage. The templates meet all requirements for small claims court in Ontario, ensuring your case is thoroughly documented and properly filed. When you're ready to download the template, simply click the Purchase button and proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, you'll be prompted to enter your basic information, such as your email address, first and last name. If you have a promo code, be sure to enter it here to take advantage of any available discounts. After completing your purchase, you'll be directed to a success page,